WPI-ASHBi, Institute for the Advanced Study of Human Biology, Kyoto University. The theme of WPI-ASHBi is what key biological traits make us human, and how can knowing these lead us to better cures for disease?
WPI-ASHBi aims to address one of the most fundamental questions in biology. What are the key biological traits that make us human? To tackle this question, we focus on 4 areas: developmental biology, genome informatics, primate model, and basic or clinical medicine. Seeking for new interdisciplinary approaches, we actively pursue collaborations with mathematicians and bioethicists. In addition to individual research activities, we established flagship projects that involve close interaction between various PI groups. Furthermore, our Fusion Research Grant Program promotes bottom-up style interdisciplinary fusion among young researchers. We believe that by integrating these activities, we can come closer to answering the question, what makes us human?
My laboratory specializes in human immunology, where we aim at understanding the immune responses that occur in our body by performing research with human specimens. We are particularly interested in immune cells present in human tissues such as the liver and the malignant tumors. There are many unknowns regarding such tissue-resident immune cells in humans, and therefore somehow we feel that our research is similar to the research for unknown animals in the deep sea.
My lab is focusing on understanding early stages of human and non-human primate embryonic development. We actually have developed different in vitro models of early stages of embryonic development. These were focusing on a process called somatogenesis or segmentation. We made models which are based on stem cells, on pluripotent stem cells, on iPS cells, for example, and characterized them in detail.
My group deals with the ethical issues which arise from the advances in science and technology, especially in stem cell research, genome editing technology, and human developmental biology. The bioethics is a multidisciplinary field of study that includes ethics and life science. One of our goals is to establish ethical guidelines for human biology with researchers and the public, addressing potential issues before society is faced with them.
WPI-ASHBi has facilities and supports that bring together leading researchers across research fields, backgrounds, and language barriers.
The WPI program gives the flexibility in our budget planning and execution, allowing us to develop an ideal researcher infrastructure based on our research vision. We have a Signer, which is a core facility that supports the large-scale genomic analysis at the single-cell level.
We are equipped with cutting-edge instruments and offer comprehensive technical support and training services. Our central aim is to establish ourselves as the leading technology hub for single-cell analysis in Japan.
At the ASHBi, we have established a new support system for researchers in the administrative division called the Research Acceleration Unit. This unit is unique in that it aims to provide a problem-solving type support associated with conducting research.
My function is to share my editorial knowledge and experiences as a former scientific editor at Cell Press with the researchers at the ASHBi. This can be done in the form of support in scientific writing of manuscripts and cover letters, or even in terms of strategic advice in response to reviewers and rebuttal letters, especially in more challenging situations. With my support, our researchers will establish a better understanding of the editorial process and hopefully develop their own toolbox in order to publish their work more efficiently in target journals.
WPI-ASHBi makes it possible for researchers to interact across disciplines by setting up lounges and other facilities.
Our group is located on the ASHBi's main research building and share the space with biologists. This unique research environment enables us to hold frequent and in-depth discussions with biologists.
This environment is also a great advantage for young researchers.
Also, ASHBi is really promoting this fusion between different labs here. So I do learn a lot more knowledge and ideas.
And also they advise us on developing our own scientific careers.
Sometimes people point out something that I could never think about myself. So that's a fascinating point.
All the equipment, all the research facilities, and of course we have other like collaborators who are basically just around the corner with whom we can work. So everything what we need for our research is basically here.